So this is all about. So what is that? I ran away to Dover. So where he was going? Obviously ran away. भाग के मतलब घर छोड़ के भाग गया. कहाँ पे? Dover में. So that is I was going to Dover if I had to walk all the way. So now I had no notion of going back. So what is the notion? Notion means idea. So he did not adopt any idea of going back. उसने ठान ले लिया कि हम घर वापस नहीं जाएंगे. Okay. So and now he was going to Dover and now if I had to walk all the way. क्यों इसको पैदल जाना है? Because he had no money left, is it? पैसा तो लगेगा ना गाड़ी पे चलने के लिए, but he had no money left. I trudged on miserably until I happened to pass a little shop with a great many coats and pairs of trousers dangling from the low ceiling, and I noticed that the ladies and gentlemen wardrobes were best at the best price. I took off my waistcoat, rolled it neatly under my arm, and went to the shop door. So look, you just see while going, what is show? He show a shop, and what shop it was? You just see the picture. It was a cloth shop, means coat pant milne wala shop. Now what he decided, as he was wearing a coat, so what he decided? He decided to open that and to sell it to the shopkeeper, so that he would get some money and that would help him. Okay. If you please, sir, I said, I wish to sell this for a fair price. Mr. Jollibee was the name over of the shop door. So what was the name of the shopkeeper? Mr. Jollibee. Spread the waistcoat on the counter, held it up against, looked at carefully. What do you call for a fair price? Not for this little biscuit? 18 pence. So he decided to give 18 pence. Okay. Who decided to make a payment now? This this writer, that is David Copperfield. Mr. Jollibee rolled it up again. I should rob myself blind, he said, if I was to offer 9 pence for it. So what he says, that इस कोट को हम 9 pence पे भी नहीं देंगे. Okay, he said that. My circumstances being so very pressing, I said I would take 9 pence, which Mr. Jollibee gave, not without some grumbling. So our writer decided to give 18 pence, but he rejected and he decided to give 9 pence. Mr. Jollibee said that I would even not give 9 pence. So what the writer decided? Writer said that means our writer David said that I'm ready to take 9 pence for that. So now I wished him good night. So what is that? Okay, now finally हिसाब चुकता हो गया. Even shopkeeper भी मान गए कि हाँ 9 pence ही देना है. So he took 9 pence and then what is this? And as I buttoned my jacket, now he decided to sell it off. I foresaw pretty clearly that my jacket would go next, and then I'd see myself if I could go Dover in a shirt and a pair of trousers. Now you just see, coat तो दे दिया, jacket तो दे दिया, अभी क्या बाकी है यहाँ पे? Coat, is it? Now he decided to give the coat again, and now only one thing is left: pant and shirt. Okay, but till now he had not sold this coat. Okay, I spent the night on a hay stick behind the wall of my old school. So he used to read. Maybe we do not know about his background. Okay. But I know only one thing. If you go to read about his personal, even you will find it in YouTube about his personal, means about this novel David Copperfield, and full story मिल जाएगा वहाँ पे तुमको. Okay. So if you just see that his father died and then his mother also died lastly. Okay. But maybe he had changed the schools, and in his old school he decided to sleep there with a hay stick मैंने घा. Okay. And it was some comfort to have the boys so near me, although they knew nothing about me being there. So you just see that he decided to sleep behind the wall, means not in the school background but behind it. So maybe in that school ground there were some boys, but they did not know about whose presence? The writer presence. Never shall I forget the lonely sensation of lying down without a roof above my head. So you just see, without a roof above my head. Have you ever slept with a roof? Obviously those who have RCC, means building house, or those who live in the chhat, in summer time you sleep at there. Okay, without chhat, is it? Now you just realize here the meaning of without a chhat means what? जिसका कोई घर ना हो, जिसका कोई shelter ना हो, जिसका कोई shelter ना हो, that means without a roof. मतलब जिसका छत ना हो, obviously a homeless person. So he was a homeless now. The warm beams of the sun and the ringing of the getting up bell at Salem House were awoken. So now next morning he is at where? Salem House, means the school. If I crept away from the wall as the boys were getting up and started along the long dusty track which I knew to the Dover Road. Now he wake up and then soon he again left that place. I got that day through 320 miles, though not easily, for I was new to that kind of soil. Now you just see the journey was on foot. Okay, on foot. Remember, there was he did not spend his money by going by bus or something else. As evening closed, I crossed in the bridge of Rochester foot store and tired. Obviously he will be tired or not, इतना दूर, is it? And ate the bread that I have bought for supper. So you just see उस 9 पे से क्या क्या है, he ate the bread for the supper. Now once or two little houses with the notice lodging for travelers. So lodging for traveler means what? Like you know na, lodging hotel, big hotel where traveler used to stay, and tempered me, had tempted me. What it says? Lodging means you know ना, fooding and lodging. Fooding मतलब खाना, lodging मतलब रहना. जो टूरिस्ट लोग आते हैं तो होटल में रहते हैं कि नहीं? Yes, बड़ा बड़ा होटल में, is it? So even lodging for traveler, he while passing there, he saw 2-3 houses, and there was a big letter written lodging for travelers. means रहने का वहाँ पे stay मिलेगा, रहने पे वहाँ पे जगह मिलेगा. If you give money. So that tempted him. मतलब tempted means you know na, tempted you know. Okay, we'll see. Like when you pass and you saw a what is that, pakoda and all, those who like this chatpati. Okay, so they went on passing chatpata like noodles, pakoda shop. So you want to eat or not? जल मुंह पे